The world-famous author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, introduced an intriguing concept to the world known as the cash flow quadrant. He posits a subtle distinction between wealthy and impoverished individuals. Those on the quadrant's left work for money due to their need for stability, whereas those on the right pursue freedom to avoid lifelong labor. By the end of this video, you'll know the powerful 8 assets that could lead to wealth and a work-free life. We often marvel at entrepreneurs' ability to generate immense wealth within a lifetime. Despite common misperceptions fueled by media portrayals of the wealthy as evil tycoons, the reality is that building a successful business demands tremendous dedication and effort. Consider the journeys of icons like Sara Blakely, Richard Branson, and Oprah Winfrey, who all made their empires through perseverance. Unlike regular employees who earn active income, entrepreneurs invest initial hard work to enjoy passive income later, securing their future and subsequent generations. Take the story of Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp. He went from a humble beginning as an immigrant to selling his app to Facebook for $19 billion. His story exemplifies how entrepreneurship, while demanding, can lead to extraordinary wealth and freedom. Entrepreneurs like Koum invest initial hard work to build a business that later generates passive income, securing their future and that of their families. For many, leaving a stable job to start a business is daunting. However, this doesn't mean resigning to a life of working for others. Real estate investment, for instance, can be a gateway to financial independence. Using other people's money, OPM, as Kiyosaki suggests, involves leveraging loans to acquire rental properties. This approach not only generates additional income, but also offers tax benefits. Over time, accumulating parcels can lead to significant financial freedom, allowing your investments to work for you. Consider the story of Barbara Corcoran, who turned a $1,000 loan into $1 billion real estate empire. Her journey illustrates that intelligent investments in property, often using borrowed capital, can lead to substantial wealth and independence from a regular job. For those with limited time and resources, Kiyosaki recommends another path to wealth: disciplined investment in financial markets. Instead of squandering money on fleeting pleasures, investing in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds can be a more prudent choice. These vehicles offer a way to participate in the success of established businesses without the direct challenges of running one. Regular investment can expedite your escape from the daily grind, opening up opportunities for further income generation. The power of investing in financial markets is best illustrated by the story of Ronald Read, a janitor who amassed an $8 million fortune by diligently investing in stocks. His story shows that even with a modest income, disciplined investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can lead to significant wealth over time. The instability of fiat currencies like the dollar underscores the importance of investing in tangible assets. Kiyosaki refers to commodities like gold, silver, and oil as God's money. These resources, essential for human survival and progress, offer a hedge against inflation and economic fluctuations. Diversifying your portfolio with commodities can safeguard your wealth, especially during economic downturns. The value of commodities as a stable investment is highlighted in the story of John Paulson, a hedge fund manager who accrued billions by investing in gold during the financial crisis. His success underscores how commodities like gold can safeguard wealth during economic instability. The adage, "time is money," highlights time as our most valuable asset. The earlier one starts investing or pursuing wealth-building activities, the greater the potential returns. Warren Buffett himself advocates for starting young. Utilizing time effectively, whether through skill development, side projects, or pursuing passions, can lead to significant life changes and wealth accumulation. The story of Elon Musk, who taught himself programming at a young age and later built multiple billion-dollar companies, exemplifies the value of time. Musk's effective use of his time in youth to acquire skills and take risks paved the way for his later success. physical well-being is crucial for achieving your goals. Neglecting health in youth can lead to substantial financial and personal costs later in life. Conversely, investing in a healthy lifestyle through exercise and balanced nutrition can enhance your ability to work effectively, enjoy life, and reduce future healthcare expenses. The importance of health is vividly illustrated in the story of Steve Jobs, whose health issues impacted his work at Apple. This example shows how maintaining good health is crucial for long-term success and the ability to enjoy the fruits of one's labor. The digital realm offers vast opportunities for wealth creation at minimal startup costs. Platforms like YouTube allow individuals to share their expertise and passions, potentially earning significant income through subscribers and ad revenue. Similarly, creating online courses, blogs, or engaging on social media can evolve into lucrative ventures, especially when combined with affiliate marketing or other monetization strategies. Lily Singh, who started as a YouTuber and became a global sensation, exemplifies the potential of digital assets. Her journey from making videos in her room to having her own TV show demonstrates how digital platforms can be leveraged to build a brand and generate significant income. Before we share the eighth and final asset to building a work-free life, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial videos like this. The value of a strong network and personal brand cannot be overstated. Every interaction, especially in business ventures like catering or consulting, expands your network. Quality work combined with effective self-promotion can lead to exponential growth through referrals and repeat business. The story of Gordon Ramsay, who used his culinary skills and personality to build a global brand, highlights the power of networking and personal branding. His ability to connect with people and market himself turned his cooking talent into a multi-million-dollar empire.